Did you know that using the roadside assistance on your auto policy, even for something as small as a lockout or a tow, can show up as a claim on your insurance record? And did you know there is a better way? Today, we're breaking down rental reimbursement and why I recommended a separate service called AutoHero Roadside. Hey everyone, Amber with Trailstone Insurance Group. Welcome back to Auto Insurance Basics series. These next two coverages often get overlooked because they feel like some small add-ons, but both can save you money and hassle when you actually need them. Rental reimbursement is a coverage that pays for a rental car while your vehicle is being repaired after a covered claim. Most policies cap it by a daily amount and a total amount. For example, $40 a day up to a maximum of $1,200. Here's the part that matters most. Rental reimbursement only kicks in if after a covered claim. If your car is in the shop for routine maintenance or a problem that is not covered by your insurance, rental reimbursement does not apply. Common limits range from $30 a day up to $75 a day, with caps of $900 to $2,000 total. Pick a daily limit that would actually cover the kind of rental you would need for your household. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most carriers will offer you roadside assistance as add-ons to your policy, usually for a few dollars a month. Sounds great, right? But here's what people do not know. When you use carrier roadsides for a lockout, a jumpstart, or a tow, it can be reported as a claim on your insurance record. Even small uses can add up to potentially affect your rate over time. That is why we recommend AutoHero Roadside instead. AutoHero is a standalone service, completely separate from your auto insurance policy. You pay a flat annual fee, and when you need help, you call them, not your insurance company. Nothing goes on your insurance record. For our clients, this has been a simple change that protects their record and gives them the same peace of mind. If you want to know more about AutoHero or whether rental reimbursement is set up right on your policy, we're happy to help. Visit trailstoneinsurance.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we walk through the most common endorsements you can add to a policy and why they matter more than you might think. Catch you there.